Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAM, a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So let's get started with the question I have today, and the question is, hi there, everyone. Important question regarding my campaigns. I have one account which has been performing amazing this month. That's very good. I am getting great volume and conversion rates are incredible. That's amazing. However, yesterday I decided to add some observations targets because I was curious about some audience segments. So I added an observation targets for topics to my ad group, and I added another observation for the audience segments. Now today my traffic is almost non-existent. All of my traffic has basically stopped. I usually have a volume lot of volume and conversions by now, but I have nothing today. I thought that adding observation should have no effect on performance. Am I wrong? The observation target seems to have triggered the campaign into bit strategy learning. So maybe it reset the campaign somehow. Can you help me understand this? Okay, so let me see the image as well for the targeting you have done. Mm-hmm. Okay, so yeah, you added audience segments and you added topics as well over here. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Okay, and yeah, whenever you do such thing, the company eventually shift to bit strategy learning, and that is true. So now the thing is, first of all, you have to wait. You have to be patient. You have to give at least 48 hours. Trust me, you have to give 48 hours for the new campaign to work on. And ideally, I do recommend, in case if you are trying to do an experiment specifically on a campaign which is working well, I do recommend you to copy the campaign and paste it and try the experiments on the new campaign, because one thing is working well for you, then you may don't need to disturb it, but rather create a new campaign so that we can experiment. In case if you want to do still experiment, you can do the experiment over here. So right now my suggestion is to wait for you to at least 48 hours until you start getting the traffic. I have seen scenarios where even you have to wait for 72 hours before start getting the traffic, once you do these kind of changes like observation targets or audience segment changes, and it takes a lot of time for you to get the traffic back. But again, the question is, will the campaign be performing well such as it was working well before? No, I'm not exactly sure regarding this, which is why my recommendations are, because in case if a campaign is working well for you, always try to create a new campaign and do the experiment of the new campaign, rather than doing experiments on a campaign which is already working well for you and running well for you. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you like this question, make sure to like, share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads, or SEO or web development services, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description to reach me and my team, and we can help you in creating an amazing campaign which can work well for you. So I hope you like this video, and take care and bye bye.